Hey, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the wisest purchasing decisions without losing your mind. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we have the eufy X8 Pro, and on the right, the Loorow 3-in-1 robot vacuum and mop combo. It's gonna be a battle of the bots, and we're here to find out which one sucks the most. In a good way, of course. First up, let's talk about the price. The eufy X8 Pro will set you back $649. Yes, a bit pricey, but hey, it promises to make your life easier. On the other hand, the Loorow 3-in-1 comes in at $599. A bit more budget-friendly, but will it deliver the goods? Let's find out. Next, let's discuss how much these bots will let you sit back and relax. The eufy X8 Pro claims 45 days of hands-free cleaning, thanks to its 2.5L dustbin. That's a month and a half of not having to think about your floors, almost long enough to forget you own a vacuum. But wait, the Loorow 3-in-1 says, "Hold my dust bag." With a whopping 60 days of hands-free cleaning and a 3.2L dust bag, this bot is like the friend who brings extra snacks to a party. You'll forget you even have floors to clean. Plus, it has a charge and recover feature so it can pick up right where it left off. Talk about dedication. Now let's get to the nitty-gritty suction power. The eufy X8 Pro boasts 2 times 4,000 pascals twin turbine suction. Sounds like it could suck the chrome off a trailer hitch, right? But Loorow isn't backing down. With 4,500 pascals of powerful suction, it's like the vacuum equivalent of a black hole. If it sucks any harder, it might just find the lost city of Atlantis under your carpet. Let's talk navigation. The eufy X8 Pro uses iPath laser navigation to create precise maps of your home. Think of it as the Google Maps of vacuums, minus the annoying reroutes. But the Loorow 3-in-1 has PreciSense LiDAR navigation. It's like having a robot that's an expert cartographer. This bot can scan and map your home with laser precision, and it's even compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. Just say the word and voila, clean floors. Customization is key. eufy X8 Pro offers AI.Map 2.0, allowing you to set no-go zones, virtual boundaries, and more. It's like having a personal cleaning butler who knows not to enter your secret lair. Loorow 3-in-1 also lets you customize via an app. You can set cleaning modes, virtual walls, no-go zones, and even schedule cleanings. It's like the Swiss Army knife of robot vacuums. Finally, battery life. eufy X8 Pro doesn't brag much here, but it gets the job done. Meanwhile, the Loorow 3-in-1 boasts a 120-minute runtime. That's 2 hours of relentless cleaning power. It's like the Energizer Bunny, but with a vacuum. Reviewers have a lot to say about both these robot vacuums. For the eufy X8 Pro, users love its strong suction, efficient cleaning, and user-friendly app. However, some have noted issues with battery life over time. On the other hand, the Loorow 3-in-1 is praised. So who's the winner? Is it the eufy X8 Pro with its Tangle-Free roller brush and deep cleaning prowess? Or is it the Loorow 3-in-1 with its longer hands-free cleaning and insane suction power? Both have their strengths, and honestly, it's a win-win for your floors. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick. And if you enjoyed this battle of the bots, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a smart buying decision. Until next time, stay smart and happy cleaning. Product links are in the description.